Brazil, a land of rhythm, color, and breathtaking natural beauty. Famous for being home to one of the world's top football teams, the Rio de Janeiro Carnival, and the remarkable Iguazu Falls. Brazil is South America's largest country, and one of the most exciting travel destinations on Earth. Stretching across much of the continent's northeast, Brazil shares borders with nearly every South American nation, except Chile and Ecuador. From the vast Amazon rainforest and tropical Atlantic beaches to wetlands teeming with wildlife and vibrant megacities, Brazil offers endless wonders waiting to be explored. Here are the top 15 places to visit in Brazil. Number 15. Jericoacoara, often simply called Jerry. This laid-back seaside town is surrounded by shimmering lagoons and the Atlantic Ocean. Horseback rides and dune buggy adventures are the best way to explore its natural beauty, making it one of Brazil's rising tourist gems. No. 14. São Paulo. The country's largest city is a melting pot of cultures, with strong Italian and Japanese influences, shaping its art, cuisine, and music. São Paulo's energy is unmatched, offering travelers a vibrant mix of sights, sounds, and flavors. No. 13. Chapada dos Veadeiros National Park. Located in the state of Goiás, this park is a paradise of waterfalls, dramatic cliffs, and lush valleys. Its Moon Valley, with lunar-like rock formations, is another worldly sight not to be missed. No. 12. Brasilia. Brazil's capital is a futuristic city, planned in the shape of an airplane, with striking modernist architecture, like the glass-domed Brasilia Cathedral, and expansive green parks. It's a fascinating example of a city built from scratch. No. 11. Ouro Preto. Nestled in the mountains of Minas Gerais, this colonial-era town is a time capsule of Brazil's gold rush days. Cobbled streets, Baroque churches, and historic charm make Ouro Preto one of the country's most picturesque towns. No. 10. Lençóis Maranhenses. Another worldly landscape of golden dunes and turquoise lagoons, best visited after the rainy season. This national park feels like stepping onto another planet, offering both serenity and adventure. No. Unveiling is a blend of history, its cobbled streets and colorful colonial houses are paired with tropical forests, waterfalls, and emerald seas, a true paradise for nature lovers. This towering waterfalls, deep valleys, and hidden caves with crystal blue pools. It's a dream for hikers and adventurers. Olinda is bursting with art, and vibrant markets make it one of Brazil's cultural treasures, especially during Carnival. No. 6. The Pantanal. The world's largest wetland stretching across Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Unlike the dense Amazon, the Pantanal offers open landscapes where wildlife is easily spotted, from giant capybaras and caimans to jaguars prowling the river sides. No. 5. Florianópolis. Nightlife and one of the best places to live. Florianópolis southern city combines modern life for Manaus, the gateway to the Amazon rainforest, while the city itself features highlights like the opulent opera house and the meeting of the waters. Its true magic lies in the jungle, adventures just beyond its borders. No. 3. Salvador. With its colorful colonial old town, Afro-Brazilian culture, and infectious music scene, Salvador is a city alive with energy. Its cobbled streets, coastal views, and carnival spirit make it unforgettable. No. To Iguazu Falls. One of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world. Straddling the Brazilian-Argentine border, Iguazu's 275 waterfalls stretch for nearly 3 kilometers, with Devil's Throat Canyon as the thundering highlight. No. 1. Rio de Janeiro. Few cities in the world are as breathtaking as Rio, with Christ the Redeemer towering over Guanabara Bay. sun-soaked beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema, and the world-famous Carnival. Rio is the heartbeat of Brazil, a city of beauty, music, and celebration. Whether you're drawn to its wildlife, beaches, or vibrant culture, Brazil promises an unforgettable journey through one of the most diverse and beautiful countries on Earth. Would you like me to make this shorter? Documentary-style narration, smooth and cinematic, or keep it long and detailed list style like this? Is this conversation helpful so far?
Sun-soaked beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema, and the world-famous Carnival. Rio is the heartbeat of Brazil, a city of beauty, music, and celebration. Whether you're drawn to its wildlife, beaches, or vibrant culture, Brazil promises an unforgettable journey through one of the most diverse and beautiful countries on Earth. Would you like me to make this shorter, documentary-style narration, smooth and cinematic, or keep it long and detailed list style like this? Is this conversation helpful so far?